two cancers, Hodgkin lymphoma and papillary thyroid cancer. So that happened the last 5 years. I'm still alive.
Yeah.
So I feel you, I hear you. May Allah bless you. It's the best thing you can do in this moment.
Yeah.
So alhamdulillah, I'm very happy for you. And I know you're like having late stage, but I also was third and fourth stage. So,
Yeah.
and I still, Allah made me live. So it's good to be with you here today.
Thank you.
Yes.
If I can do anything or you want to talk about anything, I'm also there. Alhamdulillah. So it's a blessing. So you know what you're saying, right? You know that you're saying, I bear witness that there is no God but one God,
Right.
Allah, the God of everyone and everything. And there's no God but one God. And that's the bedrock of Islam, from Adam to Noah to Abraham to Moses to Jesus to Muhammad, is the same statement. And the second thing is we say, and we bear witness that the final prophet and messenger was Prophet Muhammad, who is from a lineage of all of these prophets that you already know about, that are also mentioned, some of them in the Bible and all of that. So, and with this testimony of faith, it becomes our lenses. We see the world through it. We cleanse our hearts and our souls with it. We see the world, so to us, the world becomes a means, not a goal. The goal, we live for something above and beyond, and that transcends reality. We're not slaves to reality. We're not slaves to wealth, time, fame, whatever people are chasing, but rather we are servants of the most merciful, the most compassionate. And this way we know how to navigate life, including very difficult moments, like the moment that you're going through. Because we believe it's a journey. We don't cease to exist. When we die, we just move to the next stage, the stage of the grave, then the stage of the day of judgment, then the stage of eternity. So it's only the beginning, and it's only a new beginning, right? People call it life after death. I like to call it life after life. So,
I like that better.
because we're alive now, and probably it will take few seconds to die, and then we're going to be alive again. So
Yeah.
I don't know why we mentioned the few seconds and forget the whole experience. So let's life after life. So we move on to another life, another life. We don't cease to exist, and that's why we're not scared of death. We're not scared of what comes. We know everything that is going to happen after, and we know that if we submit ourselves, our will, our soul to the most merciful, most compassionate, and we reflect that compassion in our words, actions, and reactions, and how we deal with others, then we got nothing to worry about, right? Life will come and go, but Allah is always there, and you will be there. You're going nowhere, right? So we are always there. And I pray that, just like I met you today, that we will also meet in the next life, in the next life, Ameen, inshallah, in heaven, Ameen, Ya Rabbal Alamin. God bless you. So, any question do you have? Reservation, hesitation, questioning before you want to take your testimony of faith?
I think not. I mean, I watch my wife, you know, this is pretty good for her, and I feel like this is good.
Lucky.
Allahumma lakal hamd. Allahumma lakal hamd. May Allah bless you. So inshallah, maybe you can point to the heaven like that with your finger. Inshallah. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an la
an la
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
Rasulullah.
Rasul
Allah.
Allah.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that there is no God
there's no God
but Allah.
but Allah,
And I bear witness
and I bear witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is his prophet and messenger.
is his prophet and messenger.
I mean, congratulations,
Allah
brother. MashaAllah.
Akbar.
Allah,
Allahu
God is the
Akbar.
greatest.
Allahu Akbar.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah.
MashaAllah.
Beautiful.
When I was younger,
Uh-huh.
started studying a little bit about, I mean, Buddhism, just,
Indeed.
I grew up in the military, so I was exposed to
Yes.
a lot of things.
I see.
Not quite to the Mid East. As far as I got that way, it was no, you don't know.
More
I don't know where
Morocco?
you were.
No, but my dad was stationed in the Pacific. So
I hear
I
you.
lived on Guam. I lived in the Philippines.
I know.
But but
It's never too late.
It's never.
yeah.
God caught you in the last moment, and inshallah, you have a long life ahead of you.
And that's how this is only, 2-3 weeks into this new thing. And I've already been through several others, and I think I'm probably in the best place I could be.
He's like a born baby now.
Exactly. Your record is clean slate right now.
Alhamdulillah.
You're like a newborn baby,
Exactly.
spiritually, in the eyes of God. Indeed, thank you. Indeed, alhamdulillah. Praise be to God, and all gratitude to Allah. Alhamdulillah. Beautiful. It's good to have you as a brother in Islam and as a brother in humanity, and as a brother to this community. We are here, all your family, and it's a beautiful soul right here, mashallah. You come, you can just sit down, and if he reads Quran, it will soothe your soul. Yeah, all of us love to pray behind him.
She's my student.
Mashallah. Absolutely, you know what I'm talking
Whenever
about.
I saw her, I recognize her.
Ajib,
But congratulations, welcome to Islam.
Thank you.
and to the Muslim
Alhamdulillah.
community.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I'm jealous of you actually.
He's jealous.
Really. وربك يخلق ما يشاء.
Exactly, indeed. MashaAllah. God bless you. Congratulations, sister.
Congratulations, thank you.
For being a
Thank
role
you,
model.
thank you.
An amazing
She's
presence.
been doing a lot of good things.
MashaAllah.
New
It's
Muslims.
insane.
MashaAllah.
That's insane.
Allah
MashaAllah.
give you Jannah. inshallah.
Beautiful. Ameen ya Rabbal Alamin. Ameen. MashaAllah.
She's my built-in nurse too.
Oh my God. Amazing. MashaAllah.
So happy.
Your soulmate. Indeed.
It's like wedding day.
Alhamdulillah.
It feels like
Right? Indeed.
Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah. It's
Thank you.
insane. MashaAllah.
So happy.
54 years.
Alhamdulillah.
You're young. 54?
No,
Together.
Oh, together.
together.
Yeah, but you look younger than your age
No,
anyway.
I'm Joe Biden's age.
You're Joe Biden's age.
Yeah.
Wow. So that's 80?
81. I think he's 82 now. But
La ilaha illallah. Khair.
Ajib. Subhanallah. That's
She's a very
insane.
good lady. mashallah.
Allah barik feek.
thank you.
Of course.
So happy for you. So happy for you.
Alhamdulillah. 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 Beautiful.
سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد ان لا اله الا انت نستغفرك ونتوب اليك سبحان ربك رب العزه عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين جزاك الله خير.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Thank you for being here. This is amazing, right? How many people were here yesterday for our Shahada? MashaAllah. When it rains, it pours. Alhamdulillah. We're very grateful for this type of blessed rain. We have Sister Victoria here, who, alhamdulillah, has been in communication with some of the people here at the masjid, and she's embarking on this wonderful journey of studying Islam. As we had Monica, she's right here, mashallah, I just saw you, also coming yesterday to take her Shahada. So this is a journey, right? We begin this beautiful process. All of us we're lifelong learners, so you're at the start of this, but we're here to support you, inshallah. And so you came here with the intention to openly testify your faith in front of, inshallah, your new family. Inshallah, your new family of Muslim sisters. So the process, as I quickly explained to you, is very simple. I will repeat the Arabic words, which is just a simple phrase that you, and I'll go word by word, and you will repeat with me. We'll say this 3 times, and then I'll explain to you the meaning in English, so it's clear for you exactly what you just said. Or I can do the English first, whenever you're comfortable. And then that's it. At that point, you are confirmed as a believer in front of the community, and you are now Muslim, and then we'll, inshallah, further the education after that with you. Bismillah. Alright, Bismillah. So the first part begins. Can you repeat? Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Again. That was good. Yes. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. MashaAllah, takbir. Okay, so you just said in English, I bear witness that there is no God except God. And that Muhammad is his last and final messenger. MashaAllah. Excellent. Welcome to the faith. We are so happy for you. Thank you for honoring us to do this with the community, inshallah. As I mentioned, this is your new family, and we are here for you to answer any questions you have, to be a support system for you. Alhamdulillah. Welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you have any words?
Thank you. I appreciate your all coming. I sort of got the impression that you weren't going to be here, but
I rushed over.
Yeah.
This is
I
something I wouldn't want to
appreciate
miss.
that. Thank you so much for all of you coming.
Thank you. Thank you. Now be prepared for a lot of hugs. I hope you're a hugger. Okay. Yay! Welcome. Bring on the hugs. Thank you so much.